Thank you all for being here today. I did prepare a short joke to help lighten the mood. Why did the TikTok account decide to throw a funeral? Because it couldn't handle all the dead silence, so it figured why not. Shit.
My TikTok is dead. But here is the game plan. I'll never be as cool as Ryan Trahan. To bring this account back to life, I could just start a new account, but I want to see if it's possible to revive a dead one. Step number 1, upgrade the space. I want to be excited about the space I'm filming in, and I have a really great opportunity to do this because we just recently moved. And I'm starting to realize how challenging it can be to make plans to decorate a space, but this is a good start for right now. I was hoping to have a few more items by the time I was filming this video set up in the backspace, but that Amazon package is currently MIA. So once I find that, then we'll start adding things to the space. For right now, you'll just kind of see it change and evolve over each YouTube video, which is kind of fun. My goal is to create a space I feel inspired to create in. I'm definitely someone that wants it all to be done in one full swing, but we've got to be patient, find the Amazon package, decorate the rest of the space. But that's part 1 of this plan. Step 2 of this game plan is prioritizing original videos. For the longest time, I was inflicted with VVS, viral video syndrome. Constantly trying to follow the trends to get that viral video. And for the longest time, the only way that I believed people could actually grow on TikTok. I have several old YouTube videos to prove it. I don't know what I was thinking, but it's time for a new strategy. While I'm still looking to grow, I'm here to build a community. I'm here to add value, and I believe that comes from me putting more effort into the videos that actually come from me, and not just a silly copycat of 10 million other videos. I want people to be following me because my content adds value and not just because I lip sync to a funny song. To achieve this though, I need to implement step 3 of this game plan. Step 3, create a plan. A game plan within the game plan, if you will. Pretty much from the very beginning, I've always approached TikTok with the I'll post when it's convenient mentality. And 8.5 times out of 10, it's not convenient and I don't post. So I'm here to lay down the law. No excuses. I have set a posting schedule for myself, which is going to be 3 times a week. That's what I can fit in with my current schedule. And I'm actually taking the time to plan out my short form content. I have been using Notion to plan out my short form content. And while it definitely takes more time on the front end, I save a lot of time on the back half when I'm filming and editing. Now, obviously, every single creator is different and is going to approach their content differently, but this is my plan to help me create more of those original videos that come from me and offer value to my audience. So here is what my short form content calendar looks like. For example, today I posted a TikTok, but beforehand I planned what kind of content I was going to film. So this is one video. If I click on this here, you guys can see the title for the video, how do I get support on TikTok? I typed that in there. And then when I edited this template last, the live date, and then what platform. Edited, I can change the status from idea to film, filmed, edited, and uploaded. And I actually did already upload this, so I'm gonna change that there. And then below here, I've added caption ideas. So that way it helps me when I'm going in and editing my TikTok videos and getting them ready to post. I can just add these in and have some ideas already generated. You can add in thumbnail ideas, which isn't as applicable to TikTok, but certainly something you can think about. Research and notes, I have a link in here from some research that I did. And then below here, I did write my script, so I knew exactly what I wanted to say. Here you can also add a B-roll list, an editing checklist, a publishing checklist, all of those things that make the process really simple. And if I wanted to go ahead and add in another video idea, I can show you this here. Let's find a new date. Let's do this one here. I can click and just add the title in there. I would change the status to just an idea for right now. And then I'm gonna click on new TikTok template. And that way it pulls up everything that I need right away. And I can go ahead, caption ideas, research and notes, or add my script. And then boom, it adds that into my calendar so I can plan for it and have everything ready that I need for the days that I'm filming content. This is gonna be a huge game changer for my short form content. Now, I did not create this content calendar myself, and I have to give full credit to Michelle Kanemitsu. I really hope I'm saying her name right. The creator of this incredible resource. I will link her video down below in the description where you can also access the free Notion template that you see me using here. Thank you so much, Michelle. And the last part, step number 4 of this game plan is to back it up. I keep saying I need to do this, but god damn it, it is actually time. So if there's been something that you've been putting off, come on, we're here to do this together. Analytics are so important because they're feedback. It's how we gauge if our plan is actually working. And at this rate, I've probably been checking my analytics like once a year, but I'm here to change that and say it out loud so you guys can keep me accountable. The last step of this game plan is to check my analytics once a week. And we're gonna get even more specific than that because if we don't, it might not happen. And my analytics day is going to be Saturday. And that's the day where I'm going to look at the content that I've posted during the week, see what did well, see how my audience responded, look at the times that I posted, and then model my future content based off of what did well. Now, before you're allowed to go, yes, you heard that right. You are not allowed to leave until I say this. I am extremely goal-oriented. And so by implementing this new game plan, my goal is to grow the Kyla Lou TikTok channel to 100,000 followers by December 31st of this year, 2023. You heard it here first. The goal is here on our vision board, so we're official, folks. My focus is value, consistency, and growing this community. So if you haven't already, go and follow me over on TikTok to see if I can actually make this happen. I'm posting tips and tricks in a condensed format to help you navigate TikTok and short form content. And with the game plan officially revealed, I'll catch you on the next one.